in Iran and Israel. I have directed all concerned government agencies to take the necessary steps to ensure the safe, timely, and orderly return of our Filipino workers who wish to avail of the voluntary repatriation program. Secretary Hans Katdak is in Amman, Jordan, and is scheduled to receive the first batch of 26 repatriates from Israel at the King Hussein crossing. In Israel, we have already provided food packs and financial help to our kababayans. Many are staying in our migrant workers office hostel with more space ready should it be needed. We are processing over 200 requests for repatriation, and we are moving quickly to bring them home, while others have opted to remain at work. We continue to monitor our OFW caregiver who remains in hospital, stable but still on oxygen support and a ventilator. We are in touch with her family and are making sure she gets the care that she needs. In Iran, our embassy is preparing for the repatriation of an initial batch of 8 Filipinos in the coming days. Upon arrival in the Philippines, they will receive immediate support from the government, including 150,000 pesos in immediate assistance, some accommodation, transport, and livelihood support with training vouchers to help them recover and to start again. And for those who choose to stay home for good, we will be there to help with skills training, job matching, startup capital, and support to begin a small business or find new opportunities. I urge our fellow Filipinos to coordinate with our embassies in Tel Aviv and in Tehran. Please follow their guidance, inform them of your situation, and do not hesitate to ask for assistance. Your government continues to act and is ready to serve to protect your safety and well-being. Nothing is more important than the safety of every Filipino.